a very important day for me and my company. It feels as if I'm launching a son. And I look forward because my team, Sabir, they worked hard on the script, hard on the boy and the girl.
It's been almost exactly a year, 4th April. The entire cast and crew assembled in Patiala. So it's been exactly 1 year and we're launching the trailer on this day.
It's always a pleasure to work with you, Sajid. So that's my good word for the day.
Well, it's really a special day, I think. Subhash ji had launched Jackie and gave us such a huge star in Jackie. And it's really wonderful to see that now his son is being launched, and it gives me great pride and great pleasure to present Tiger to all of you. I believe that he's the new superstar on the horizon. What a fantastic trailer. I mean, I really loved it, and I think both the girl and the boy are looking really amazing. Actually, I want to see it one more time. Can we see it one more time? To invite to join us both Tiger and Kriti. Please join us, guys. And the one person I want to meet is Jackie. I don't know where he's hiding.
Jackie sir has also seen it first time. So, Jackie.
Pranam, namaskar, Subhaji, Sajid, my brother Amir, आप लोग सब बोलने को ज़्यादा क्या बोलूँ, बेटा है अपनी बच्ची है, बेटा है मेरा, भारी काम किया, मेरे को तो अच्छा लगा.
I'm really not prepared for this, but all I can say is a very big thank you, Sajid. You've looked after Tiger like your own child. This entire crew and the cast who've supported him.
Obviously, I'm very envious of Sajid and Sabir that they launched him, because I feel he is not an actor or superstar or son of Jackie. He is my son, and I feel today that my son has been launched.
मेरा पहला दिन बाबा को टेंशन था. मैं सो रहा था, दूसरे जब रिलीज हुई तो वीर सांघवी साहब और रौफ अहमद साहब आए थे. दोपहर का टाइम था, मुझे उठाया, बोले आपकी पिक्चर रिलीज हुई है और आप सो रहे, तो मैं क्या कर लेता.
मेरा पहला दिन, आई रिमेम्बर जो हम लोग क़यामत से क़यामत तक मुहूर्त जब था, तो सी रॉक होटल हुआ करता था, वहां पर था, और राज जी और कृष्णा जी आए थे क्लैप देने के लिए. सो दैट वाज अ वेरी मेमोरेबल डे फॉर मी. व्हेन
First of all, thank you so much for coming out and supporting us on this day. It's very important to me and my family and my new family here. So thank you so much. And Amir sir, thank you so much for gracing us with your presence today and for your valuable time. Sir, I wasn't always keen on becoming an actor, honestly speaking. Growing up, I was into sports, all kinds of sports, ranging from football, martial arts, gymnastics. But acting was always at the back of my mind. It was always there inside somewhere, but I wasn't too keen. It wasn't my first choice.
Image and beauty. Well, I think beauty is something that lies in the eyes of the beholder. And of course, as an actor, you need to kind of maintain yourself in a certain way because you're on screen. But apart from all that, I think for me, personality and what actually you are as a person, that's something that matters more.